Good day, YouTubers. I got here a company out of Russia that's going to be doing these new Mustangs 67 model fastback all electric carbon fiber. Man, she is gorgeous. Oh man, wonder don't know what the cost is going to be, but this thing is awesome. I like the color. Color looks real nice. It looks great. I think I myself is more of a Kona blue, but I like the way it. This one looks good. It looks real nice. Okay, I'm gonna go through the pictures so you guys can see. Can you see the carbon fiber? Spoiler here. Here the side skirts. But the whole thing is carbon fiber. Imagine getting a hold of this shell and putting in, let's say the Voodoo engine in that one, in this one. Wow, that would be sweet. Let's go through the slides here. Here's the rear with LED lights. Man, those things look awesome. You can see some of the carbon fiber here, but again, the whole shell is carbon fiber. Here's the side profile. Coming back, if I was starting this venture, I'd probably put an LED instead of this chrome piece right here. I'd make this all LED right here. Or perhaps you see this little piece right here. This is the spoiler. It raises when you're above 70 miles per hour, which is it's a good sweet. That's sweet. I'd make that a big long LED light there as well. You want this thing to look nice in the dark. So got some nice rims here. They made this electric, it's sort of based off of the Telsa S as well. I may even consider putting some LED lights right in here. Interior looks gorgeous. Look at that. Carbon fiber right here. Carbon fiber. I don't really care for the white seats because, of course, it's going to be a sports car. It's going to get dirty. White seats, they're just going to get dirty. You don't want to see that. So I'd make it all black. Got a little carbon fiber right here. This thing looks awesome. I see right here they followed the GT350R kind of steering wheel. I change up the seats a little bit. That kind of looks too much like a luxury car. No rear seats. Here's the shell. How about you racing Mustangers? I like to get a hold of one of these and build it myself. Man, this would be sweet with that Voodoo engine, or perhaps the 500 motor in there if you got the cash. But this looks sweet. I'd like to get a hold of one of these. Look at that, all carbon fiber. I believe all this metal. Looks like maybe they grabbed an old Mustang and they just started doing the exterior by carbon fiber. Let's go to the next page here. It's the rear. Let me know what you guys think. Would you YouTubers would like to get a hold of one of these carbon fiber shells and build your own Mustang with that Voodoo engine in it? Ford performance, just build it your own. Be much lighter. Look at that carbon fiber. That looks sweet. I see here they got Telsa brakes, but I'd put some, of course, you know, if we're making this into a race car, we're gonna put some, what is that called? The Brendo brakes. Here's the rear. There's that spoiler. That's a sweet option there. I don't know why Ford didn't do that with their GT350 or GT500 for the least. You know, paying $100,000. Why not just do something like this? Reinforced shell here, metal shell. Well, it gives you some options if you're just not even doing a carbon fiber, but just your regular Mustang to reinforce it. So there you go. Sweet, sweet, sweet. I'd like to get a hold of one of these. Well, let me know in your comments if you guys would like to get one of these. You know, if they would bring that carbon fiber shell down here, where I think you can get it like what, a 65 shell. They're asking, like Ford, I think, is asking like what, 17,000 for a 65 you know, aluminum shell. I guess this carbon fiber would probably be what, maybe 30,000. I don't know. Let me know what you think it costs in the comment section. Also, you know, help this channel out by subscribing and leave a comment. Till next time, stay strong, tread cautiously, and talk to you soon. Or till the next video, of course.